So, we're also looking at this model put together here by NOAA, okay? And this right here shows you what a model is in effect, because there's a tsunami advisory in effect for a lot of SoCal beaches right here. So this animation kind of shows a ripple effect right here that the quake has on the whole Pacific, really. Tsunami advisory in place for Orange and Los Angeles counties, other parts of California too, not San Diego. But as we go live to Oceanside right now, that's where Marie Coronel is. It does look like there's some disorganized swells coming in right now, Marie.
Yeah, that's right, Jason. And now that it's light out, you have a better idea of what the waves are doing. There was a surfer who's already out here. I spoke with him. He says the waves are a little bigger, but not by much. Experts are expecting waves to be about a foot. Further north, waves could be about 3 feet. This tsunami advisory, you mentioned, covers San Onofre State Beach all the way past San Luis Obispo. So not in our area, but still we're seeing some changes to the water out here. The waves, little in size. They're not supposed to cause any significant damage or problems, but still people are being asked to avoid the area just as precaution. Now up north in Orange County, about 30 minutes ago, they reopened their beaches. They had it closed because of this advisory, but they are saying they're still warning that currents will be stronger than normal. We're live from Oceanside. Marie Coronel, 10 News.
And Marie, this is not the first time we've kept a close eye on this stuff. Back in 2011, the earthquake in Japan prompted a tsunami advisory for San Diego's coastlines. Strong currents caused the bait barge in Mission Bay to break from its anchors. You can see right here the damage. When the tsunami first hit, the barge broke apart and sent debris drifting into nearby boats. Now, Pinpoint Weather meteorologist Megan Perry in the 10 News Weather Center watching all the developments with this.
Right, and going on with that is, when that tsunami came, the swells were about 6 feet. We're forecasting less than a foot, and that's to the north of us. So San Diego not in the tsunami advisory. We're expecting maybe 4 to 8 inches for our waves. But again, just be aware if you're headed out to the beaches. Be extra careful. They're not expecting widespread inundation, but just being safe over the next few days. The tsunami advisory is farther up to the north, all the way up to near the San Luis Obispo area, and that is in effect until further notice, in fact, until they feel like the threat is gone. And just because the first waves are coming in today, that doesn't necessarily mean that the strongest ones are today. Along our coastline, we're tracking the waves about 2 to 4 feet, and farther out to sea, you can see they're closer to 5 to 6 feet, but even up north, they're looking about 3 feet. So again, not expecting much damage with this, but that tsunami advisory is with us through, well, until we don't know actually right now, Jason.
Yeah.